Hello class, this is Miss Montes. This week of May 11th through the 15th, we are going to wrap up the novel that we've been reading, The Outsiders. So this week is going to be chapter 12, the last chapter of the novel. So here I already inputted the assignment. I put in make a copy for each student, so you should be able to type in the Microsoft Word. If not, you can just do your own file, type it out, type out your responses, and then submit. Either way is acceptable. So like I've been doing before, I found the audio for just chapter 12. If you don't want the audio, you want to read it on your own, friendly reminder that we have it in the classroom stream when we first began online teaching. I'll show you that at the end of the video. So here you have chapter 12, and I was previewing it. It says it is 20 minutes and 45 seconds. So this is a lengthier chapter versus the chapter we read last week was about 7 minutes long. So it being the ending of the novel, pay close attention to the information in it. It's going to wrap up our questions that we might have had. So let's go back here. So once you view the audio or you listen to the audio or you read the chapter on the PDF file or your book, now you can go ahead and answer the questions. Chapter 12 questions, The Outsider. Number 1. Why doesn't Ponyboy feel scared when the Soch approach him and threatens them with a broken bottle? Number 2. How is Ponyboy's actions in question 1 a dramatic change from the Ponyboy we have seen up until this point? So for number 2, you need to look at question number 1. Why doesn't Ponyboy feel scared when the Soch approach him and he threatens them with a broken bottle? So this is out of character for Ponyboy. So why is that a dramatic change from the Ponyboy we have seen up until this point? Before, did he ever act like that? Why is it a dramatic change? How was he at the beginning of the novel? Number 3, what does Darry mean when he says, you just don't stop living because you lose someone? So what does that mean? So you're looking at that quote and then analyzing it. What does it mean? Number 4, what do we learn was so special about Johnny? And number 5, I just added this one. Did you like the novel The Outsiders? If you did, tell me why. Did you relate to some of the themes covered in it? If you did not, let me know why. Don't just say, no, I did not like it. Tell me why. Explain your response. Remember, it's all about critical thinking. Then you have your chapter 12 quiz on quizzes. Remember, once you take the quiz on chapter 12, you screenshot or take a picture of your score. You do not need to have a Quiz account. You can just click the link here and it'll take you directly to the quiz. So once we click it, remember you do have these settings. If you don't want to be timed, you can take it off. You do like to be timed, turn it on. You don't want it to read the question to you, disable it. You're like, no, I do like it when it reads the questions to me. Then you can put it back on. It has 3 questions. It's a very, very, very simple quiz. Okay, so then you would answer the question. Okay, so once you answer those questions, it is a very quick quiz to wrap it up because the main thing I want to cover would be in the class discussion. So I have the class discussion for Friday. I haven't posted it yet. I want to see your answers first, your responses to chapter 12. Then after the quiz was fairly short. Then here the class discussion. Remember, next week is going to be for makeup assignments, redoing assignments that you might not have done or did but failed. So you will have that opportunity to pick up your grade. So let me show you here, just to review. Today I posted the video for the chapter 12 audio, which I told you was 20 minutes. Today you are to listen and read the chapter, and then you can answer the questions already or you can answer the questions tomorrow. Here's the upcoming dates. Chapter 12 questions, The Outsiders. Chapter 12, The Outsiders quizzes, and our class discussion. Have a great day, and I'll see you on our Google Live Meet class. Bye.